Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix repost option not showing on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Play Store and search here TikTok and update your TikTok application. And the second step is you need to go into the settings and click on app management and click on app list and search here TikTok. Open TikTok and click on storage and cache, and you simply need to clear cache and clear storage. After you've done that, you simply need to go and open TikTok application, and then you need to click on share icon so you can see that repost option is showing to me. But if that option is not showing to you, so the other thing is that TikTok did not roll out this feature in your country. So by following these steps, you can easily fix TikTok repost option not showing. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.